So it is recording us, Oz. What do you think?
Hi.
First time using this thing.
Put it on your head.
So my name is Christian Noggle, and this is my son Osian Noggle. And here's our beach encampment right here. Oh, they're parasailing. There's my daughter right there in pink. I want to wear this thing. I'm gonna go up and
I think we gotta be Pacific. Everybody's in pink.
No, Isis is right there in front of me in pink. Alright, Oz, you want to give it a try?
Yeah.
You want to go? Ooh. Tickle. You're wearing my purple sunglasses.
Purple.
Ka-chop. Alright, let's go see what this water's like. You want to do boogie board?
Yeah.
So how does it look?
About like you could imagine.
My first time using one. Yeah, I thought they were parasailing over there. Isis, what are you doing? Digging a hole again? You gonna put sea creatures in there?
Yes, I am making a hole. I know you're on camera. I know that.
Alright, let's see what this is like. So there's the white sand. Oh, there's that water. Oh, okay, it feels better now. Look at all the salt foam. Yeah. Wearing the shorts my girlfriend got me. Whoa! Yeah, it's a lot calmer than yesterday, isn't it, Oz? It is? Ooh. I feel rocks underneath me. Oh. Oh man. Oh, there's the waves. We're in the Gulf of Mexico. Oh. Maybe I should have got me one of those, right, Oz? Yeah, it's kind of a little chill. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh man. Just imagine when we're under a green flag instead of the yellow over there. Imagine how calm a green flag would be. But we got a yellow right now. Oz, you went. No, don't do that again.
Where's my hat?
It's right there. You aimed right. Oz, you aimed right for me. And you, well, you went into the back of my legs. He got right behind me, and then the wave carried him into the back of my legs, and yeah. Want to go back in again? Isis, you want to go?
No. Let's go in.
What are you talking about? Well, the wave knocked mine over yesterday. Yeah, I haven't stopped. Isis, you want me to get in that hole and dig it deeper? Okay. Yes. I was gonna say we could pack this in our umbrella.
On my board?
Yeah, you want me to ride on it? Will it even support my weight?
Mine will.
Will or won't?
Well, probably not. You gotta get a bigger size.
Yeah.
This is bigger. Look how much bigger mine is.
Yeah.
Show them my surfboard. Look at the great colors.
I like the colors of your boogie board. These are the shell.
There's a camera down there. Look. You can see the shell.
Huh.
Is that if we just dig down, we find shell?
I found a shell.
Look, let's try find what's right here. Sea glass.
I don't know about that. I think it's, well, you're right.
Let me see.
It's part of a shell, I think. All right, Isis and Oz, remember, don't get your boards near me because you just crashed into me, Oz. Cool. Warm.
Wait, Dad, get it will support your weight. Because I feel wrong with you.
Yeah, I want to windsurf, but they don't do it around here. It's calmer than yesterday, but just imagine what it would have been like on Thursday. You know, when they were under the double red flag, it would have been really bad. Oh gosh, that surprised me. Oh, here it comes. It's gonna get us. Oh, oh, the wall of water. What's that, Oz?
Did you get what I just did on camera?
No.
Because that would have been awesome.
Yeah. Oh.
That wasn't a good one.
Seaweed. Oh, it's calm waters. Oh, we got some seashells. Ah, it's got some seashells. It's so calm. More seashells.
Daddy, stop collecting seashells and get out of here, you big chicken.
You're a chicken. You're a chicken.
Daddy, I steered it.
You did?
I almost ran into you, but I steered it.
That's good, Oz. No.
Stop looking at shell.
It's fascinating how the erosion happens because of where my body is. Oh, this is in the surf. Oh, so I'm going to sit up here in a flat place here and you'll watch